5 common Canadian business structures include private corporation, LLC, limited liability partnership, LLP, representative office, branch office, and public corporation, PLC. A private corporation, LLC, is a business entity legally separate from its owners, offering liability protection. A limited liability partnership, LLP, combines the benefits of a partnership with limited liability for its partners. A representative office acts as an extension of a foreign company for market research and liaison activities. A branch office is a direct extension of a foreign company, conducting business operations in Canada. A public corporation, PLC, is a company that can offer shares to the public, subject to regulatory requirements. LLC, LLP, and representative office setups generally require approximately 12 weeks to complete. Branch and public corporation setups typically require about 13 weeks. Invoicing and hiring processes can begin between 3 to 6 weeks, depending on the business structure. Setup timelines vary depending on the chosen business structure. LLCs, LLPs, and PLCs offer limited liability, protecting personal assets from business debts. Representative and branch offices do not provide separate legal entity status. LLCs, branch offices, and PLCs are taxed on net profits at rates between 23–31%. LLPs and representative offices can achieve 0% tax if structured correctly. Canadian entity types, including LLCs, LLPs, representative offices, branches, and PLCs, have different banking options. Trade finance is a banking option available for LLC, branch, and PLC entities. Government grants are accessible for LLC, LLP, branch, and PLC entities. Representative offices have limited access to trade, finance, and government grants compared to other entity types. The final INR price for setting up a Canadian private corporation, LLC, is CU 23,37,664. Setting up a Canadian limited liability partnership, LLP, costs $19,365. Establishing a representative office in Canada costs $2G18,42,718. The final INR price for setting up a Canadian branch office is CU 19,95,10. Setting up a Canadian public corporation, PLC, costs UG 1842,718. These prices include full setup, support, and banking services. All prices are based on the current USD to INR exchange rate. An LLC is ideally suited for general commercial activities. An LLP is best suited for professional services. A representative office is appropriate for marketing and research activities. A branch is great for specific project-based operations. A PLC is perfect for public shareholding and exchange listing.